people here have been fantastic, and the types of work I've been doing have been really exciting and interesting. So it's been anything I could have hoped for.
My favorite thing about working here is the diversity of the programs. Most definitely, the diversity of the programs.
What other engineers and maybe students should consider when coming to this company is looking at the different projects that they're able to work on.
We have to design it to the highest standards. So from a design standpoint, that's a great challenge, but that's also what makes it really exciting.
It's very much a dynamic environment. You're always on the move, learning.
From aircraft takeoff to landing, aiming and stabilization, and mission control and recording, Curtiss-Wright's motion control segment makes products that combine the most advanced technologies with the highest level of reliability. Through our 3 product groups, we provide advanced technology solutions for our customers' most challenging requirements in the air, on the ground, and on the water. In embedded computing, we provide solutions that span the full range of computing technologies from board-level products, including single-board computers, and digital signal processors to fully integrated subsystems. Our core capabilities include high-performance graphics solutions, high-speed input-output, high-density computing, specialized chassis design, custom and component engineering, software services, and legacy manufacturing services.
The first time I read the description for Curtiss-Wright controls, when I was a co-op student, I was right away convinced this is something for me, just with the variety of projects there are, as well as opportunities, as well as like hardware, software, testing.
When I was doing research on Curtiss-Wright and choosing different places to apply, it was a very innovative, high-tech environment, very fast-paced, and most importantly, it seemed like a place where I could apply my skills.
So you get a taste of every different department, and you get an idea of what you would like to do in the future. So it's a good way to start out your career, so that if you see something you like, you can pursue that field.
We are at the forefront of supporting unmanned aerial vehicles like the Global Hawk. We provide the mission management computers, which act essentially as the brains of this aircraft. We are also enabling the modernization of military forces by integrating advanced electronics for communication, ordnance, and munitions deployment. And our aiming and stabilization equipment is critical to the performance of military ground vehicles.
I like the high technology. I like the military aspect, that we're making something that is very high quality, needs to perform. You know, there's no exceptions, and it needs to be 100% reliable.
It really gives you a good feeling of completion and pride at the end of the day when you can say that you're sure something's going to work, and that's one of the core values of the company as well, that they support you in that effort.
Our engineered systems provide high-performance designs and precision manufacturing capabilities to customers for severe service, mission-critical components, and subsystems. From commercial and military aircraft secondary flight controls and utility actuation, to ammunition handling, armored vehicle suspension and turret stabilization, shipboard landing systems to industrial actuation, we develop the most innovative technologies, from components to fully integrated systems.
The project I'm working on right now is the Joint Strike Fighter F-35, an ordnance hoisting system.
The project that I'm working on is the sonar handling system for a nuclear submarine, and it is very challenging work.
Work on various projects like the 777 rig behind me, which was quite a challenge because we had to hydraulically do things that were not trivial.
I do a lot of the dynamic interface analyses between looking at the effects between the helicopter and the ship. And look at what the associated loading on the landing gears, on our probes, our securing device are going to be.
Today, navies around the world rely on our helicopter recovery systems, which fully integrate all of the functions required to safely operate and stow large shipborne helicopters. Our helicopter recovery systems are able to accommodate a wide range of helicopters and ships, even in the most demanding marine environments. Our integrated sensing group is a global leader in precision sensor engineering, specializing in the production of engine and flight controls, position sensors, airborne fire protection systems, rotor ice detection and protection systems, and power conversion units, to name just a few.
I come here, I really like working with technology, but the real draw is the people.
When I came here, I was given the training that I needed to do the job that was required of me. I was working with some other senior engineers.
Whether it's supplying commercial aircraft controls or industrial joysticks used in off-road vehicles, our product portfolio supports original equipment manufacturers and retrofit designs to provide the latest advances in technology. An example is our ice detection system. It senses and removes icy buildup on helicopter blades to enable flight during known icy conditions. Using this system, Sikorsky's S-92 helicopter was the first to be certified by the Federal Aviation Administration for all-weather flight safety standards.
Some of our products are over 50 years old, some of them are 5 months old, and so we have a history of processes and designs that you really can't get anywhere else.
Curtiss-Wright integrated sensing products are also found in industrial markets. Our rotary and linear position sensors support auto assembly, vehicle performance, and testing. And our joysticks and position sensors control leisure rides and virtual reality simulators.
At Curtiss-Wright, we have the ability to create subsystems to go into larger systems, but we can actually explore technologies and offer new ways to look at things for the customer.
Say if you wanted a company that would provide you avenues to grow and different directions to pursue, and opportunities abound and to help get you there, then Curtiss-Wright's the place to go.
Curtiss-Wright is considering you as well. You've obviously got the right stuff.
Curtiss-Wright is really it's more than just a job opportunity. It's very much a career platform to really get into a very satisfying and fulfilling career.
Our philosophy has always been that the impossible isn't. As you would expect from a company founded by the pioneers of flight, we're always moving forward. So, come and move your career forward with us.